Good morning, fam. Woke up feeling stiff through the hips? Like your legs are still dragging behind your brain? It's not just tightness, it's stagnation. Let's get your lower body back online and your day back in rhythm. Let's hit the mat. This one looks simple, but it'll challenge your balance and coordination fast. Start standing tall. Step your right foot diagonally behind your left, then reach your left hand towards your right foot. Come back to center, switch sides. Your glutes, hamstrings, and side body are all waking up at once here. I promise this move boosts single leg control, challenges your core, and trains coordination that carries into your full day. Beginners keep it slow and controlled. Advanced stretches speed it up without losing balance. Did you know that most people train strength before stability? But the real power is built in control. This move trains both. Hold your next touch 5 seconds. Feel that, Brent? That's your base stabilizing. Now, let's open it up laterally. Step your right leg out wide, bend the knee, and sit into the hip. Keep your left leg straight, push back to center, then go left. We sit all day in one direction, forward. This is your chance to move side to side and reclaim motion your body's been craving. The stretch strengthens the glutes, stretches the inner thighs, and unlocks stuck hips, especially after long hours at a desk. Beginners keep the stance shorter and your hands at your hips. Advanced stretches sink deeper and reach toward your foot. Here's a twist. Side lunges also improve ankle mobility. That means fewer wobbles and stronger steps all day. 5 more seconds. Try sinking 1 inch deeper on this next lunge. That has cracked open your inner hips. Let's ground it even deeper. Drop into a deep squat with your elbows pressing your knees apart. Place your hands together at your heart or on the floor. Chest up, breathe. This one's primal. Your hips are designed to sit like this. You just forgot how. I promise the frog squat opens your hips, lengthens the spine, and reteaches your body how to sit and stand with grace and strength. Beginners, use a block or pillow under your heels. Advanced stretches, rock gently side to side or lift your chest higher. Can you stay down here for 5 seconds? Eyes up, spine long. That's mobility and strength meeting each other. Let's take this activation upright and dynamic. Stand tall, lift your right knee towards your chest, then switch. Add arm swings for rhythm. This is your game now. Can you keep marching, stay tall, and control your breath? I promise this simple movement fires up your core, warms your hip flexors, and resets your balance without needing a single piece of equipment. Beginners march slow and steady. Advanced stretches drive the knees higher and add a bounce in your step. With every lift, imagine leaving behind yesterday's tension. 5 more seconds. Challenge yourself to speed up just a bit. One more reset before we land in stillness. Lie on your back, hug your right knee into your chest, hold and breathe. After 30 seconds, switch sides. This is where the reset settles in. Your nervous system shifts, your spine decompresses, your breath returns. I promise the simple stretch soothes the lower back, releases your hip flexors, and lets your nervous system down-regulate from stress. Beginners, keep your opposite leg bent. Advanced stretches extend the bottom leg for a deeper stretch. Are you breathing into this or holding it? If you're still tense, you're missing the power of release. Let go. Hold for 5 more seconds. Now switch. You just gave your body 5 minutes of space, control, and breath. But tension doesn't just live in your muscles and joints, it lives in your mind, it shows up in your habits, it drains your energy, even when you sleep 8 hours. When you're burned out, stuck in survival mode, or striving without rest, you don't need a harder plan. You need a reset that nourishes your body, clears your mind, and centers your spirit. That's what the 3-day reset is built for. Daily stretch flows that reconnect you to your body. Scripture plus mindset shifts to clear the mental fog. A faith-fueled nutrition guide that fuels energy without obsession. It's your full body rhythm reboot, rooted in truth, not trends. And it's completely free to start. Tap the link in the description or pin comment to begin your free 3-day reset now. Then when you're ready, if those 3 days wake something up in you, if your body starts to feel aligned, your mornings calmer, your breath steadier, you'll have the option to keep going with a full 30-day reset rhythm experience. Same rhythm, deeper reset. Weekly themes with daily scripture, stretches, journaling, daily support, and God at the center of it all. Because the goal isn't just progress, it's peace that lasts us into the kingdom.